Hey everybody, welcome to this week's quick video of New Week, New Organized You. My name is Brenda Tringali. I'm a professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. So this month, as you know, I'm summarizing a book by productivity guru David Allen. It's called Getting Things Done. I think this is an older version, but it's commonly referred to by its acronym GTD. It's a 5-step process, and so far I've covered steps 1, 2, and 3. I want to briefly summarize these steps before we move on to step 4. So step 1 was to collect all of your to-dos, whether they're in your head, on a list, on a sticky note, in your voicemail, in your email, wherever they are, and consolidate them onto one list. And your choice, whether you use a paper system or electronic app, whatever works for you. Step 2 was to process them according to David's guidelines. I'm not going to go into that right now. That'll take too long. Step 3 is to organize them, which means to group them together in a system that makes sense so that you can review them and complete them as you want and need. And step 4, which is what I'm covering this week, is called reflect. So every week you're supposed to review your system and make adjustments as needed. This is essential to keep everything running smoothly. Now, David recommends that you complete the weekly review on a Friday afternoon, and that this is a great time because your work week is probably wrapping up, or hopefully wrapping up, and it'll give you the opportunity to start the work week on track and motivated next week. Why? Because you're not going to waste time on a Monday morning figuring out what you need to accomplish that week. You've already done it Friday afternoon. To take it one step further, you should review your short-term goals on a monthly basis. Are the things that you're accomplishing moving you toward your short-term goals, or are they just busy work? If they're not moving you toward your short-term goals, then something is wrong and you need to figure out where the problems lie. Now, if you want to learn more about GTD, either pick up David's book or check out his YouTube channel, which is called GTD, or go to his website, gettingthingsdone.com. And if you go to his website, you will find a treasure trove of resources, including setup guides or best practices on how to set up GTD, either for a paper-based system or for some of the most popular apps out there today. Now, I know I've given you a lot of information this month, but if you really want to consolidate and organize your to-do list so that you really get things done and move towards your goals, I really believe that David's GTD system is worth your time and investment. So that's it for this week. Next week, I will be covering the final step in David's GTD system, step 5, which is also called engage. So please make sure you tune in next week. And please remember that my goals are to educate you every week on how to get more organized and productive at work, home, and in life so that you save time, save money, and so the things you need are at your fingertips. If you know of others who could benefit from my weekly videos, please share this. And please know that I am so grateful to you for watching and for all of your support. I will see you next week. Thank you so much. Bye.